Hello everyone, I'm Shubhrika. You're on your favorite interactive and informative section, SJ Live, brought to you by Crown Paints. If you like it, crown it. Today we have Mr. Abhishek Rana, the man behind Mac Coffee Kenya. Hello everyone, this is your favorite section, SJ Live. I'm Shubhrika with one of the very known figures in Nairobi, Mr. Abhishek Rana. How are you, Abhishek ji?
Fine, fine, Shubhrika. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. For all our viewers, Mr. Abhishek Rana, the man behind Black Coffee Kenya, is regional head Africa, Food Empire Holdings Singapore, seasoned business executive, leader, and strategist. He has got expertise in new business development, operational management, developing and executive strategies, managing and leading teams. Mr. Abhishek Rana is dedicated, achievement driven, with long and extensive experience of over 16 years in high functioning FMCG organization and fast moving economies. He is MBA in international business. He is also very active in social work. He's a secretary with Hindi Samiti of East Africa and director business and professional directorate Hindu Council of Kenya. Welcome to the show once again, Abhishek ji.
Thank you, Shubhrika, for having me in your show.
You are the man behind Mac Coffee Kenya. When I came to Kenya, I seriously knew that yes, coffee is very famous and there's so many established brands in Kenya of coffee. It's not easy to make a mark in the industry as soon as you have done it. What was your strategy to achieve it?
Thanks for recognizing the efforts. Yes, my coffee is one of the leading brand in coffee category in Kenya. It is a team effort which has worked tirelessly with a passion under the guidance of the company's senior management and leadership to reach at this level. Regarding the strategy, we develop the quality products as per the market requirement and consumer preferences, which is well accepted by the market and loved by many.
Your hard work is actually seen. The way you have established the brand is actually commendable. Mac Coffee is an international brand. How far is it spread in Africa and the world?
Correct. McCoffee is a group flagship brand. It is available around the globe. In Africa, McCoffee is available in around 10 countries.
10 countries, okay.
It's available in the West Africa. It is available in the Central African countries.
Okay.
So if I mention about like 10 African countries.
And you have a vast range of products, yeah? I have seen,
Correct.
Even in Mac Coffee, there are so many varieties.
Absolutely right. Actually, we are the pioneer in the 3-in-1 coffee mixes in Kenya.
Yeah.
Our 3-in-1 mix is very popular.
Yes.
Because it's very convenient to make.
Actually.
It's very convenient to carry. So we are having a wide range of 3-in-1 coffee mixes, which is a white coffee, flavored coffees, and the same time cappuccinos. We are having under the McCoffee brand is a non-dairy creamer. We are having a hot chocolates. So yes, there's a many SKUs which is available on the shelf.
You're working in African market for really long time now. Tell us something about African market. According to you, how easy or difficult it is to enter and sustain?
Africa is one of the fastest growing consumer market in the world. Its fast growing population and the market present important opportunities for the business in an environment of slowing down the global growth.
Okay.
So African continent is very, very important for the corporates currently.
Yeah, we see so many brands, they're coming, but I see so many brands getting out of Africa also.
Correct. The main thing is any company or any product need to do first the market research, the consumer research. What exactly they are looking, what exactly the consumer is looking. So it has to be matched, and the product has to be developed with the local requirement and localize the product. So that is the way you can enter in the market. So African markets are a bit challenging to enter in. However, it can be penetrated with the proper market and consumer research. Africa is having a lot untapped business opportunity, and it varies from country to country. To sustain in the current competitive market, what I feel companies need to embrace the proper technology. You need to be different from others. build a reputable and trustworthy brand, and connect with the community. And keep on doing what is working for the business. It's depend business to business, but that's personally I believe.
But yes, in a place where actually already coffee is very popular, so it must have been really difficult for you to penetrate in. You have done really well. How did you land in Africa?
I can say on that it's a destiny. After finishing my management, my boss has given me a overseas assignment.
Okay.
So I landed first in Africa in Nigeria,
Acha.
where we have done few projects.
Hmm.
So it's all about destiny.
Was it easy to settle here for you, or there were hardships involved?
See, every place, what I believe is having a positive and negative side. So
Hmm.
it was not very easy. It was a bit
Hmm.
challenging. Being a vegetarian,
Hmm.
food was a little bit issues.
Ah,
But yes, it's very nice place. It's basically my Karambhumi. I'm working in Africa last 16 years.
yeah.
So with the lovely, people, very good.
And Africans are, yes, they are good at heart people, you can say.
Yeah, settling down from India to Africa, it was tough, not very easy, but gradually I adapted, and
Hmm.
it's a very nice continent. People are very friendly,
Yeah,
and
people are friendly. I have met so many people in Nairobi who are actually addicted to Mac coffee. But how do you start your day? Is it Mac coffee or बीवी के हाथ की कॉफी या चाय?
tough questions. Yes, frankly, I'm the tea person, and
अच्छा,
I start my day with a cup of tea and have
okay.
a Mac coffee in a course of the day.
With the clients. Yeah. But I seriously tell you, Mac coffee is addictive. When I met you for the first time, that time you offered me Mac coffee. And yes, I had a few gifts also from your side, Mac coffee sachets. Sometimes you feel like you prefer Mac coffee sachets over the freshly made coffees.
It's
Yes,
very convenient to
very
keep.
convenient. Yes.
Especially I got a lot of comments from the ladies. They carry in their bag, so
Hmm.
wherever they are in the offices or they are going out, it's easy. Just require a hot water and coffee and tea only.
You're with Hindi Samiti of East Africa, with Hindu Council of Kenya. So, what is your purpose behind all these things? In spite of being so busy with your professional commitments, you still take out time for your social commitments also. That's really commendable. But how do you manage that?
My parents are active social worker.
Okay.
My father is involved with the various association. Since my childhood, I have been seeing them working with the community
Hmm. Hmm.
and learned a lot from them.
Hmm.
Personally, I believe and tell my friends to connect with any organization wherever they feel comfortable and contribute by any mean, tan, man, or
Hmm.
dhan,
Hmm.
whatever the capacity for the betterment of the society and
Yeah.
the worthy good. I'm involved with the Hindu Council of Kenya and Hindi
Hmm.
Samiti of East Africa. Both are the leading institution in Kenya
Hmm.
and working tirelessly towards the worthy cause.
Hmm.
And I am proud to be a part of it.
How was your childhood? You were a studious student, or you were a naughty child?
I was an average child, not
Acha.
very naughty child, I can say. I was a bit shy.
You used to like studies or not?
I loved studies my later part, like when I have gone for the management and all. But I love to share my experiences during my management. My junior used to call me a professor.
Why your friends used to call you professor?
When my junior batch came, and I used
Hmm.
to give whatever they required in terms of
Hmm.
the project making and all.
Acha.
So, at
Helpful.
the time of, like when they bid the farewell, so
Hmm.
they have given me that
Acha. Title
professor
professor.
title.
Professor Abhishek Rana. Okay. That's really good.
I think I have, given too much assignment to them or something, so that's why.
Okay. Hmm. Abhishek ji, has it ever been a hard day in your life professionally? or the things always just fell into place for you?
I love my work,
Mm.
and I never felt
Giving up.
like I believe nothing is impossible,
Mhm.
and every person should love for the work, whatever that they are doing, and things will fall in place.
Okay, Abhishek ji, tell us something about your wife. How did you meet her? Was it a arranged marriage or a love marriage?
Actually, it is a arranged marriage.
Okay.
Uh, he's indeed an incredible support and caring wife.
Yeah.
She always take
Yeah.
care of my whole family and is an amazing mother. She's one of the pillar of my success.
For her, was it okay to come to Africa? How did you people decide on?
Initial days, yes, it was a bit tough for her to
Hmm.
adjust, but later she adjusted and she loved the place.
Yeah. Now, yeah, once you settle in Africa, you actually don't like to go anywhere else. Abhishek ji, you have traveled a lot in Africa. Every now and then you're traveling in and out of Kenya. So, which is your favorite place in Africa as such?
Africa is having a many destinations, and
Hmm.
my favorite destination is Kenyan Safaris Masai Mara.
Ah,
It is one of the
okay,
amazing
sunsets and
places.
sunrise you can never forget.
Correct, correct, and it is one of the places you can visit many times,
Yeah, that's
and
so
every time
true.
you will find something different over there.
Hmm. What is your favorite food? African or Indian? Or any other
I love
cuisine?
Indian food
Indian food. You cook also? You like cooking?
sometimes.
Oh, that's good. What are your hobbies?
My main hobbies is meeting new people. I love to interact different continent people. Different,
Hmm.
need to understand their culture.
Hmm. And being the man behind my coffee. Suppose you have to go on a coffee date. With whom will you go? Mac coffee date.
My coffee date definitely with my boss. Actually, I have learned a lot from my bosses, and whenever we sit down, we spend a time.
Hmm.
It give me a lot of inspiration. It a lot of guidance, which help
Hmm.
us professionally and personally.
Any one mantra which you have learned from your boss and you implement in everyday life?
Never give up.
Never give up. I think that's what you have done for Mac Coffee, and you have never given up. And suppose you have to prepare a hot cup of Mac tea. For whom will you do that?
If it is a tea and the Mac tea, I would like to prepare a tea for our Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
Acha.
He is
I-
very inspiring, as I really admire his selfless
Mm,
work towards the communities and the building the nation. I had a very pleasant meeting during his Kenya visit in 2016,
mhm.
and definitely would like to prepare a cup of Mac tea for him if I get a chance.
In these times of Corona, every organization, every brand is actually doing a lot for the community. What has Mac Coffee done? Could you please brief us on that?
Yes, we have done in partnership with several institutions.
Hmm.
We partner with the MP Shah Hospital. We
Okay.
partner with the Aga Khan Hospital
Okay.
also.
Okay.
We appreciated the frontline health workers who are
Mm-hmm.
working very dedicatedly,
Mm-hmm.
tirelessly during this difficult situation.
Okay, that's really good. Everyone knows about Mac Coffee, but there are very few who know that Mac Coffee comes from Food Empire Holdings Limited. There are so many other products also which are there under Food Empire Holdings. What are those products?
Yes, actually, Food Empire Holdings is a group name, and it's a listed company in Singapore Stock Exchange.
Hmm.
McCoffee is our flagship brand.
Hmm.
We have other products like a non-dairy creamer. We are having our own manufacturing unit in
Hmm.
Malaysia.
Hmm.
We are having snacks, that is potato crisps.
Hmm.
So we are having quite a range of the product. Not only the
Hmm.
coffee, we are tea business also.
Okay, so Abhishek ji, tell us that what do you feel? What is important for a person to succeed in life? Is it hard work or good luck?
I believe in hard work, and there is no shortcut
Hmm.
to the success.
And what has been your mantra for success?
Success is a continuous journey for worthy goal. That's
Hmm.
because success cannot be defined for today and tomorrow. It
Hmm.
is a continuous. So you have
Yes,
to
yes.
work hard continuously.
Even if you're successful, even if you feel you're successful, you just have to keep on working.
Absolutely correct.
That's so true, Abhishek ji. And I really wish best for you guys in the future too.
It's my pleasure, and thank you for having me in your show.
Yeah, thank you
Thanks.
so much. Thank you. So, people, that was Mr. Abhishek Rana, Regional Head Africa of Food Empire Holdings Limited, the man behind Mac Coffee Kenya. And I'm very sure you must have enjoyed listening to him on his personal and professional life. This is Shubrika on SGL Live, brought to you by Crown Paints. If you like it, crown it. Tata, bye bye. See you again.